Koromgajong tend counties golo ywak winok mar yedhe kuonde thieth mag counties go maen kaluwore gi deko mar yath kowuok e bad migawo mar KEMSA. Committee mar thieth riwruog governors koro dwaro ne piny owacho mamalo ochwalo omenda mowinjore okonyo chwalo yedhe kowuok ka KEMSA. Jakom committee no mabende en governor ma Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki wacho ni deko mar KEMSA oweyo pek e sekta mar thieth ka ute thieth mag ji giwegi bende juogo omenda mathoth kuom jotuo.
Very high-level issues. Two, of course, have been shared in the presentation this morning. Spend time with our implementing partners within your...
Our counties are suffering. They are suffering because they refill it for KEMSA. The turnaround time for even delivery are wanting. We are talking about 2 to 3 weeks delivery. We are talking about refill rate of about between 55 and 70%. So why is KEMSA in such a situation? When we talk to them, they tell us that there's a big gap in KEMSA. Big gap because during COVID, they bought commodities that today are still lying in their stores but cannot be sold.
Financing for primary healthcare services guaranteed through a publicly financed primary healthcare services. The details of which will come as we go down, but we want to change so that primary healthcare services from community level to level 2 and 3 services, both at private, public and faith-based facilities in your counties, are offered through a capitation-based financing, specifically for primary healthcare financing.
Koromgajong endaka paga beach bang sadek marotino